Yes, sort of. That's nice. What? Well, you know,
Tanawa na
everybody
pinakaon.
saying they want to go
Nagay.
out with you.
Green.
It's really great, isn't it? It's what sort of sweet what? I mean, I
Green
know
sila.
an apple
Okay.
and all that. So, you can deliver right. Consider that she might be a famous but also that she was just a girl.
Tagdi pa na ako sa likod.
Asking him to help her.
Ha?
Oh, not at all. I made the wrong decision. Haven't I? Next week. Yes. You're in the pink shirt. All right. Well, are there my circumstances that you might be more than just a friend? I hope that there will be, but I can assure you that there's none. Yes, but what is? I'm
Saliente.
sorry. The one who is
Saliente.
no, it's not. You were saying. I was just wondering, what is this person? A thicker head name.
Ano ko na?
Right? Thanks. What is? Oh, Mr. Tucker, realize that you have been
Saliente.
with your reconsider you would. Instead of reconsider. Yes, I believe I would. That's wonderful. Look, the reader for accountability relief.
Salam.
Dominic, if you like to ask your question again.
Yes, Anna. How old are you?